In this video, we're exploring how art connects directly to our lives. Art isn't just decoration, it's a mirror of humanity. From the earliest cave markings to today's digital creations, art translates our insights into ways of understanding ourselves, others, and the societies we build. Whether it's meant to inspire beauty, express emotion, unify communities, or protest injustice, art always connects to human experience. In the 18th century, philosophers began exploring aesthetics, the study of beauty. Immanuel Kant described beauty as a judgment of taste, a balance between subjective pleasure and universal agreement. He argued we appreciate beauty best when we're disinterested, enjoying it without desire or ownership. The Romantic movement challenged this, celebrating emotion, individuality, and the sublime, those overwhelming experiences that defy measurement. Later, American philosopher John Dewey emphasized art as an exchange between artist, viewer, and culture, a celebration of civilization itself. Art often expresses philosophy, politics, or personal identity. Maurice Denis and the Les Nabis movement abstracted forms to express spiritual ideals. Bierstadt's landscapes promoted the political philosophy of manifest destiny, justifying westward expansion. Emperor Augustus used the Ara Pacis monument to project peace, prosperity, and his own authority. Portraits by Adelaide Labille-Guiard and John Singleton Copley really reveal personal accomplishments and social status. Art and architecture often unify communities, but honestly, they can also exclude. The Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem is a sacred site for Muslims, Jews, and Christians, symbolizing both shared and competing religious claims. In contrast, Winslow Homer's The Veteran in a New Field, painted after the United States Civil War, called for national healing through imagery of labor and renewal. So, throughout history, art has communicated ideas without using words. The Minoan snake goddess, for example, symbolized fertility and renewal. Chinese jade gui scepters communicated authority and power, and their meaning was layered by inscriptions over centuries. Meanwhile, Ghanaian kente cloth conveyed individual and spiritual messages through its colors and patterns. Art can also confront. John Quick-to-See Smith critiques the treatment of Native Americans with biting humor and protest. Ron Mueck shocks viewers with hyperrealist sculptures that distort scale and expectation. Mel Chin uses symbolism to expose the destructive dependencies of empires. Art marks life's milestones. Henri Rousseau's naive-style wedding celebration challenged academic conventions while commemorating joy. Ancient Greek funerary steles honored individuals while affirming the stability of society. Religious devotion is, honestly, one of art's oldest purposes. Hindu sculptures like Varaha rescuing Bhudevi really embody myths and divine power. In European cathedrals, elaborate altarpieces like El Transparente in Toledo combined carvings, gilding, and sunlight to create, awe and contemplation. Art has always been a teacher. Egyptians developed papyrus scrolls and hieroglyphs around 3400 BCE. Romans advanced the Codex, the ancestor of modern books. Gutenberg's printing press spread information widely in the 15th century. Photography, film, and digital media continue to expand how art informs and inspires. But with mass media also comes misinformation, reminding us to think critically about the images we consume daily. Art connects to our lives by reflecting our communication functioning as a social force and uniting communities through creativity and shared style. From the snake goddess of ancient Crete to TikTok murals in city streets, art continues to help us interpret the world, challenge injustice, and celebrate what it means to be human.